Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to report a conversation from a group on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC with the latest update. If you ever encounter spam, harassment, or any inappropriate content in a group chat, these steps will help you take action quickly and keep your online experience safe. First, open your browser and head over to the X website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and click on the Messages icon. This will take you to your inbox, where all your direct and group conversations are listed. Next, find the group chat you want to report. You can scroll through your list or use the search bar to type in the group's name for faster access. Click on the group to open the conversation window. At the top right corner of the group chat, you'll see an info icon. It usually looks like a small circle with an eye inside. Click on this icon to open the group's information and settings page. Inside the group info panel, look for the option that says Report Conversation. Click on it. X will now guide you through a few steps to complete your report. You'll be asked to choose the reason for reporting, such as spam, abuse, or other issues. Select the option that best describes the problem you're facing. You may also be prompted to provide more details or select specific messages that violate X's guidelines. After you've filled out the necessary information, submit your report. X will review your submission and may follow up if they need more details. That's all it takes. By following these steps, you help make X a safer and more respectful place for everyone. Don't hesitate to report any group conversation that makes you uncomfortable or violates community standards. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.